Hey, what's up? Dvash here. If you're watching this, you're probably curious about tutting movement, and that's great. So, by the end of this video, I'll invite you to join my free dance challenge. But first, wait, why should you spend your time here? So, what are the benefits of King Tutting? Well, hand movements enhance cognitive function and brain power by stimulating brain regions linked to focus, memory, and problem solving. Many scientific studies have shown that improving hand-eye coordination is like a workout for your brain. This means that tutting movements can help you lower stress levels by harmonizing mind-body connection to improve your creative thinking and overall confidence. But it's not only about improving your brain power, it's also about expressing how you feel. Let me ask you this. Do you sometimes feel disconnected from your body? Ever felt out of sync with your creative energy? Or cut off from your own imagination? If so, don't worry about it, because the tutting geometry flow is so powerful. The 4 directions act as your guide, which makes it easier to find endless variations to move around with the beat of the music. You can go here, 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 here. Yo! All of these hand movements are not only super fun, they actually spike up your imagination and help you reconnect with your creative flow. So, yeah, dancing improves confidence. Be honest for a moment. On a scale of 1 to 10, how adventurous are you to explore the art of King Tutting? Hey, listen, quick side note here. I'm about to perform with a lot of juggling props, but it's really just for fun, as part of your entertainment. So, just to be clear, the 4-day grid challenge focuses only on King Tutting. Now, let's get back to the video! Okay, so what do you need me for? What do you need me for? Aha! Well, maybe you don't have enough experience, or maybe you already gave up on dancing. But honestly, it doesn't matter, so forget about it. Because my mission is to make geometry flow accessible for everyone. So with my teaching techniques, you don't need to be flexible. It doesn't matter how old you are, and you don't need to purchase any prop to begin, because you already have your hands. The Tutting GRID challenge is designed to welcome newbies with zero experience while also challenging advanced tutters, so everyone can practice and improve. This is not just another YouTube tutorial. If you'll commit to my 4-day grid challenge, then by the end of this challenge, you'll become a practitioner of the Tutting GRID. Imagine wowing your friends with creative moves and finding peace in the rhythm of your hands. By the end of this 4-day grid challenge, you'll have the toolkit to just dance tutting whenever you feel like it. But how? How? Well, during this 4-day grid challenge, we're going to install tutting movements directly into your muscle memory. So, what's your decision? Join Tutting Academy's free dance challenge, unlock your brain's potential, and rediscover your hands with King Tutting. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yo!